Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to yet another delicious episode of In Search for the Best Biryani in Germany. So today we are going to a restaurant and I like you to come with me. So let's join. So I've just reached Garam Masala and I grabbed my mask and take my parcel. You can check out. It's nice sunshine today. So guys, I've just reached home and this is my parcel from the restaurant Garam Masala. What we have, let's see. So here in one we have papadum, so it's 2-3 slices of papadum, and so this is yogurt chutney. I think, yeah, this is a chutney. Oh, lovely. This is chutney, and what we have here, I think it's raita. Yes, it's raita. Wow, there's so one more chutney. So I think it's mango chutney. Yeah, this is mango chutney. So one mango chutney, and this is biryani. So let me open the biryani. Oh guys, yeah, biryani. So now I'll take a picture of this for my Instagram and then we'll start review. So guys, I have paid $14.90 for this. It's called mutton Mughlai biryani. So this is mutton Mughlai biryani, and let me weigh this now. How much we are? The weight is around, let me see, so it's around 810 grams. So 810 grams. Nice, one portion. I think it's good for one portion. 800. Oh, it's a big portion. And let's see. So as we discussed last time, you know, I'm going to give some points, but please, this is not any restaurant review. This is only my personal review of this biryani. So the points, you know, we have accompaniments, flavor, rice, quality of meat and taste. According to that, we'll give. So accompaniments, we have enough, you know. You have raita, you have chutney, 2 types of chutney, then you have papadum, and this biryani. So I'll give a 4 out of 5. Okay, for this, it's good. Maybe, or yeah, or I'll give 4.5 to be nice because you have enough. Now let's see the rice. You know, or it's long grain basmati rice. It looks very nice. Eh? The rice is very nice, And let's see how many portion of meat we have here. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 'So do you have like this, 8 pieces of lamb. Now we'll see. It has, let me see, it doesn't have any, I don't think so. I can find, yeah, there is raisin. So if you don't like raisin, or I think they have nuts also. So if you don't like raisin and nuts, please tell them. If you're allergic to them, just tell them not to put. So this is northern style biryani. So it's another dum biryani. It's a northern style biryani. And I spoke with the guy, the chef. He is from Garewal. It's a region of India. They are the best chefs over there, Garewal. And the few restaurants, the dish they are famous. They told me they have kala chana kashorba. It's also good for the vegetarian people. Then they have degi dekchi wala paneer. It's also famous. Then they have murk amritsari. Then they have mutton lakhwani kebab. This is also some dishes of them. So now the main part starts. Let me try the rice. It's mild, not so very spicy. It has butter or ghee. So you can feel it, and they have some mint, coriander. So if you don't like coriander in the food, please tell them not to put. It's good. The flavor is good. The rice flavor. So I'll give around 4 for this flavor of rice. It's good, and the grain is very good. You can see the grain is very good. So it's not broke. You can imagine, see the grain, look very nice. So this I like it, The biryani rice should be like this, not you break so much of rice. So the flavor is very good. Now let's see the quality of meat. So the meat should be tender, If you break, let's see. Okay, I'll use my hand here. It's good. It's good lamb. See, you can break easily, and it's not chewy. So this is the main thing. It's not chewy. Nice. you know. So we'll give around 4 also for this. So now we'll see the overall taste of this, you know. The biryani tastes good. So it's not a dum biryani, but it's biryani. Let me try the raita. It's good. You have cumin also. You can taste the cumin. Now let's see the chutney. It's mango. I think it's all the restaurant will get this mango chutney. So now this one is mint chutney. So yogurt and mint, but yeah, it's good, but it's too much green. If it's color, so it's not good. But I think it's color because no. So this one not good for me. This one okay, and this is good. So overall taste is good. The papadum. So I'll give around 4 for the taste. Also, so I think for all we'll give 4 out of 5. You know, so it's good. Everything is nice. So guys, so this week we have another finished journey for the search for the best biryani in Germany. And you know that this is not a sponsored channel, and I'm paying everything from my own, so I can give you a genuine review. And this is not a review of the restaurant, but this is only like I'm a foodie, and I'm only looking for a biryani, in search for the biryani. So this is my biryani review, and please support me by sharing this video, subscribing my channel, and by pouring your love to me. And we see each other on next Sunday, and I'll try to make your Sunday more delicious. So see you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.